Hi, I'm David from TPAS, and today we're at Robert Price's Sustainable Energy Centre here at Newport. They've been open about a year, and it's a dedicated showroom and training centre to demonstrate sustainable products to decarbonise housing. So we're going to have a chat with Eve and see how she's got on over the last year, how the centre's working and what their plans are for the future.
So over the last year, the highlights of the Energy Centre have definitely included all the collaboration and networking opportunities that we've had across the entire supply chain, including private contractors and developers, social housing providers, as well as the tenants. So it's been great to bring everyone together and just talk about the successes and lessons learned within sustainability, really. So for Robert Price, the benefits definitely shows and highlights how we're more than just the bricks and blocks. We also can give solutions from the groundworks all the way up to the roof, really, and everything in between, and all the solutions that help make a house more net zero. And then for the wider industry, it's just being able to facilitate all the collaboration and networking then, and bringing all the information and knowledge together in one place. So at the centre, we've got so many different interesting and innovative products here. But the one question I always get asked is, what is the most popular and interesting item? And that is definitely got to go to Zenova. This generates so much interest with everyone that comes through the door. So they have insulating paint and render products, and 1 mil of their paints, that's just 2 coats, equals to around 50 to 100 mil of cavity wall insulation, which is insane, but it's such a great solution for all sorts of customers. At the centre, we have a number of solutions, but as a Welsh company, we try and promote Welsh businesses where we can, from ventilation, heating and insulation from Welsh manufacturers. One of my ones that are the most interesting to me is definitely the True Wall. So they're a Welsh wall insulation company, and they do all the loft roll out of 100% Welsh wool. It's really great for the local Welsh economy, and it's also really well paid for the farmers as well, which is such an important cause. So yeah, that's definitely one of the ones that is definitely closest to my heart with here. So there's been a few challenges along the way, but I think they've all been good challenges in the end. It's just definitely keeping up with the demand of all the different types of products out there, all the different types of markets that we've also been in contact with. So everyone from like social housing is obviously going to have a different solution to new build private market. So it's just trying to keep up with everyone at the end of the day. But yeah, it's all positive, it's all good. So yeah. We've been open a year now, so looking forward into the next year, we're hoping to engage with more of the supply chain, more contractors, installers, more housing associations and developers, and really show all the innovation that we have here, and hopefully moving forward fit more innovation in here as well, where we can find space. So it's very exciting, looking forward to it.